okay. Just fired it up. It's cold. It's about 45 degrees out here. The engine's cold. Got a little bit of mist in it. Don't have a choke on the carburetor. One barrel. Seems to be running okay. That belt needs to be replaced. Wobbling, squeaking. It's not smoking or anything though. It seems to run pretty good. It's not rattling any of the valve frame components. Got a little, like I said, it's got a little bit of a mist. That as it warms up, that tends to smooth out. That's just for not having a choke on it. Looks like the chrome coming off my bumper. Just put front floor pans in it, front and rear. I carried the guy's C-body, Chrysler C-body pans. He was able to make them work. There's the back and the front. Yeah, it looks good enough. The back looks really good. It's good enough for me. It's good, solid, quality pans. So, transmission's not pulling like it should. We think it's low on fluid, so I'm gonna check that. All right, let's whack the throttle. Let's run a little bit. That fast idle cam off the carburetor. That's better. It was low on tranny fluid, over a pint. So I'm gonna put some in it and see what happens. All right, that definitely seemed to help it. Put it back in drive and it pulls right on off now. Put it in reverse. That's neutral. Reverse. Let's go. I know you guys can't see them. We'll hold it to the ground. Neutral. Drive. Yep. It was definitely low on tranny fluid. There's neutral. There's reverse. I feel it go in. It needs a tune-up. Well, I put a whole quart of transmission fluid in, Dextron, and it's still not touching the stick, but when you drop it in gear, as you saw it pulls the car. You can hear it clunk in gear. Is that a word, clunk? Yeah, it clunks into gear. It is a little shaky when you put it in gear, so I don't know if I got a coil breaking down. A set of plugs, wires, cap and rotor and coil wouldn't hurt this car for sure. And some new belts. It's got plenty of antifreeze in it. So we'll keep messing with it. It's a nice little driver here. All right, so I got it back in park. Put it back in reverse. So it's got a little bit of shake to it. Could be engine mounts. Could be tune, timing, that kind of thing, idle speed. Put it in neutral. I don't see the motor shaking though. I don't know if you guys can see in there. Look at the air cleaner right there. That was me shaking more than it. It's better. It was worse than that. It's better. Back in neutral. Back in park. Now it won't. I don't think diesels want to cut it off. You know these old carbureted cars, especially the 4 barrels, would hang the throttle just a tad and allow it to diesel. It would still want to run just a tiny bit, sput and sputter. They called it dieseling. Let's see if it does that, because it's run for quite a while here. I don't think it does that. I don't see any lights on. I don't know if they're working. Yeah, temperature gauge doesn't work. You know that ain't right. So I gotta fix that. Nope, cuts right off just like it's supposed to. All right, folks. So yeah, we'll keep playing with this car. I'm trying to save this thing. I like this car. So hope you guys have got something out of that, enjoyed it. Got that header in the back for it. I'm tempted to put a Super 6 intake on it in that header and because it is what it is. It's not a very desirable car, these J bodies, but it's, from a rust standpoint, it's pretty solid. These things, I don't know if I can repair. Yeah, that's my Magnum over there. I don't know if I can repair these cracks or not. Probably not. Need a dash pad for it. Need a mirror, but I'll get all that stuff. I'm not in a hurry for right now. I just want to get it mechanically running better. Folks, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Hit that thumbs up, that like button, thumbs up button, and subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification, because we got a lot of project cars, and including the Magnum. We got see, 2 J bodies and an M body, 3 J bodies and an M body. And one of the J bodies is a drag car. If you haven't seen that, it's on the channel. But there's a lot of cool stuff on the channel, a lot of junkyard crawls and me working on cars, showing you how I do things just from a guy working in his backyard. I'm not a professional mechanic by any means, but I managed to get it done with some good help of a couple of buddies on the internet that I talked with. And so guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Really do appreciate it if you would watch some of the other videos we got and hit the thumbs up on them too. There's a lot of cool stuff on the channel. Something for everybody. All right, Bob out.